Hi guys! Welcome to this video. Today we are going to solve question number 10 part A of the 047822 February-March 2023 past paper. The question is, the variables x, y, and z are used in a program. X stores a whole number, y stores a decimal number, and z stores a flag that can be set to true or false. Write pseudocode statements to declare the variables x, y, and z. This is a very simple question. The declaration of a variable can be done using the declare keyword with this syntax. In this syntax, declare keyword will come as it is. The identifier is the name of variable, like in our question it will be x, y, or z. And data type will be the corresponding data type based on the requirement. I recommend to see video of question 9 to understand data types in details. Now the variable x will store a whole number, so its type will be integer and it will be declared like this. The variable y will store decimal value, so its data type will be real and its declaration will be like this. The variable z will store a logical value in the form of true or false, so its data type will be Boolean and its declaration will be like this. Excellent! This is our answer. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe. See you with the next question. Have a nice day.